Immich is an amazing piece of software that works as a powerful replacement for Apple or Google Photos. But what if other people have photos that you want a copy of on your Immich server? How do you get people to send you large amounts of pictures or video in original quality and then upload them into Immich? On this video, I'm going to show you Immich Drop, a container which allows you to create links to provide upload capability directly into your Immich server. Let's install it on TrueNAS right now. Starting on my TrueNAS dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and create a data set for Immich Drop. Starting in my tanks pool, I'm going to go to configs. I'm going to click the add a new dataset button. I'm going to call this Immich Drop, and I'm going to leave the dataset preset as generic and hit save. Now I'm going to jump over to my apps tab, go into Dockage and hit the web UI button. I'm then going to start a new compose stack. I'm going to call this Immich Drop. I'm going to delete all of this placeholder data and then jump over to the wiki. From the wiki, I'm going to go to the search bar up top, type in Immich, and then click on Immich Drop. Here, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Docker Compose file, come back to Dockage, and paste that value. I need to make a few changes here to set this for my specific instance. Change this to the Immich server URL I'm using, which in my case is my TrueNAS server. I also need to change the port for what my Immich is running on. Back on TrueNAS, in my apps tab, I can see I have Immich running already. When I click on it, it'll tell me it's running on port 30041. So that's the first change I need to make. I'm going to change this port to 30041. Next, I need to create an API key. Let's go into my Immich web UI, go to my account settings, click on API keys, and create a new API key. Let's give our API key a name, and let's select certain permissions. We're going to want to give it activity, asset, album, album asset, archive, duplicate, library, session, and that should be it. We're currently in the process of narrowing down the amount of permissions the API key needs, but for now, this should do it. So let's go ahead and create this API key, copy this here, and then paste it into my Docker Compose file. Now this Docker Compose file should be ready to go because I've already created my configs folder for Immich Drop. Let's go ahead and deploy. Now that our container is up and running, let's go ahead and click the little 9003 pill to jump into the interface. It's now asking me for my Immich credentials, not a new username. So let's go ahead and type in the email and the password that I use to log into Immich normally. I can go ahead and test connection just in case I am worried that it's not working. In this case, I get a big green box that says it is in fact working. So now we have the option here to start creating links. Let's go ahead and create a new album called Uploads. I'm going to set this to use one time because I don't want anybody to reuse this link. And I'm going to expire it in 1 day just in case the person doesn't get to it quickly enough, just to make sure that this link is not dangling out there. I'm going to go ahead and hit create link. Now I get the option to use this URL or this QR code to make a link. You'll notice here this URL is my private URL because I haven't put a reverse proxy in front of this. If you use Nginx Proxy Manager or Cloudflare Tunnels or Pangolin, you can go ahead and give this a fully qualified domain name and that will show up here for usage outside of your own LAN. Let's go ahead and copy this link and paste it and open it. This is what your user will see when they open the link. Again, we have one usage left for this and we can choose files right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this screen and I'm going to choose that file and upload it to my Immich library. We can see here that it was added to a queue and it went so fast that the green bar was full before I even had the chance to see it do any checking. But just know that there is checking and there is a function in the background of this app to make sure you're not uploading a duplicate image. As is shown by the green bar, everything here is done. And now we can jump over to Immich, go back to the main page, and we can see here the screenshot that I just took. If I come back out to albums, we can see here my uploads album was automatically created for my upload. This is an amazingly powerful container. You can see just by the quick demonstration I gave you guys that somebody that has hundreds, maybe even thousands of pictures I want can easily just scan a QR code on their phone or click a link on their desktop, laptop, or computer and upload all of that in one shot directly into my Immich library. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel below. If you guys have very technical questions, go ahead and jump on the Servers at Home Discord. And if you want to thank me personally, please use the link below to buy me a coffee.